Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn to talk about what you are able to do in the Filipino language. When we talk about what you are able to do, this is usually about what you accomplish, ano ang magawa mo, what, ano, you, mo, accomplish, magawa. And also, it is about your abilities, ang mga kakayahan mo. Your, mo. Abilities, mga kakayahan. So, this will be the focus of our lesson, and we will start with what you accomplish. Ano ang magawa mo? Let us start with a question. How did you go to the market? Paano ka nagpunta sa palengke? How, paano. Did go, nagpunta. You, ka. To the, sa. Market, palengke. I walked. Naglakad ako. I, ako. Walked, naglakad. Now, both the verbs nagpunta and naglakad are forms of verbs that we have already learned in our previous lessons. But let us look at an alternate version which uses new forms of verbs. How were you able to go to the market? Paano ka nakapunta sa palengke? Were able to go, nakapunta. I walked to get there. Naglakad ako para makapunta doon. To get, makapunta, meaning to say to get to a place. Makapunta.
There, doon.
The verbs nakapunta and makapunta show the use of NAKA and MAKA as prefixes, which we have not learned yet. Previously, nung nakaraan, we learned to form verbs and its tenses using affixes or panlapi and conjugation or pagbanghay. We have so far learned the affixes that are highlighted in blue. If you have not seen the lessons related to this, the link will be in the description. In this lesson, we will learn to use the prefixes NAKA and MAKA. We use this to talk about things that we are able to do. Let us learn how to do conjugation or pagbanghay to form the different tenses of a verb so that we can express what we are able to do. Let us start with the root word go or punta. To say was able to go, nakapunta. We just add the prefix naka to the root word punta. To say able to go, meaning to say this is your current state, you are able to go, nakakapunta. And what we use here is the prefix naka plus another ka and punta. To say will be able to go, makakapunta. We use maka, the prefix, plus another ka, and punta. And for the imperative form, to be able to go, makapunta. Maka, the prefix, plus the root word punta. Let us continue. What did you do there? Anong ginawa mo doon? What, anong. Did, do, ginawa. You, mo. And we know from previous examples that there is doon. I went to the fruit stalls. Nagpunta ako sa mga stall ng prutas. Went, nagpunta. To the, sa. Fruit, prutas. Stalls, mga stall. We use the English word stall even in the Filipino version because that is what we will tend to use in everyday Filipino. And nang, the word nang, ng is there as a connector between fruit and the stall. Now, here are some more sentences showing how to express what you were able to do. I was able to go to the fruit stalls. Nakapunta ako sa mga stall ng prutas. Was able to go, nakapunta. I was able to buy mango. Nakabili ako ng mangga. Was able to buy, nakabili. And mango, mangga. Let's continue. Where else did you get to? This is also the same as asking, where else did you manage to go to? Saan ka pa nakarating? Where, saan? Else, pa. Did get to, nakarating. You, ka. I got to the vegetables too. Nakarating din ako sa mga gulay. I, ako. Got to, nakarating. To the, sa. Vegetables, mga gulay. To is din. So aside from being another verb that expresses what you're able to do or what you've accomplished, there is more to learn about the word nakarating. So let us look at the phrase get to or arrive at, and the root word is dating. To say was able to get to or were able to get to, we say nakarating. Note that to indicate that this is something you were able to do in the past tense, we use the prefix naka. But we also change the letter D in dating to an R. We say nakarating instead of nakadating because this is to help us to pronounce it. It is easier for us to say nakarating instead of nakadating. So to say you are able to get to in the present tense, this is something you're able to do, nakakarating. And to say will be able to get to, makakarating. And last, to get to, makarating. Here are some more sentences. I may be able to go back tomorrow. Baka makabalik ako bukas. May, baka, be able to go back, makabalik, tomorrow, bukas. What time are you able to go back there? Anong oras ka makakabalik doon? What time? Anong oras? Able to go back, makakabalik. Earlier, I was able to arrive at 10 a.m. Kanina, nakarating ako ng 10 a.m. Earlier, kanina. Was able to arrive, nakarating. At 10 a.m. ng 10 a.m. I use the short 10 a.m. because that's easier to fit on this page than the full Filipino version of alas 10 ng umaga. Often, I am able to get there at 10 a.m. Madalas, nakakarating ako doon ng 10 a.m. Often, madalas. Able to get there, nakakarating doon. Here are the verbs or pandiwa which we have used so far, as well as some new ones. Go, punta. Get to or arrive, dating. Go back or return, balik. Borrow, hiram. Buy, bili. See, kita. Find, hanap. You can use this for your practice. You can practice forming the past, present, future, and imperative tenses of these verbs using NAKA or MAKA to express your ability to do so. So far, all the sentences and words we have used are about expressing our accomplishments, what we have accomplished or will be able to accomplish. But what about your abilities, ang mga kakayahan mo? Here are some sentences to give us an example of talking about our abilities. I can sing. Nakakakanta ako. Can sing. Nakakakanta. I was able to sing at the party. Nakakanta ako sa party. Was able to sing. Nakakanta. At the, sa. I will be able to sing a simple song. Makakakanta ako ng simpleng kanta. Will be able to sing. Makakakanta. A simple, ng simpleng, song, which is also kanta. And last, I need company to be able to sing. Kailangan ko ng kasama para makakanta. Need, kailangan. Company, kasama. To be able to sing, para makakanta. The way to form verbs and tenses relating to our abilities or skills also uses the same rules of conjugation or pagbanghay as the words that we have learned before. So we will not elaborate more on this. Instead, here are some new root words for a verb or pandiwa that you can use for your practice. It will be good practice for you to form the past, present, future, and imperative tenses of these words. Have fun! So these are sing, kanta, dance, sayaw, play a musical instrument, tugtog, swim, langoy, run, takbo, jump, talon. That is our lesson today. I hope you found it useful, and for your homework, try writing about things you are able to do using the Filipino language, and practice talking with others as usual about what you are able to do in Filipino. I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!